The 19th Great June Uprising and Unity Day was observed at Kekrupat in Imphal, jointly organized by United Committee Manipur UCM and All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO. People from different parts of the state came to the memorial complex of 18 martyrs at Kekrupat since early morning to pay floral tributes. The day was also observed in different parts of the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today thanked the global community for supporting India's membership to the United Nations Security Council. Deeply grateful for the overwhelming support shown by the global community for India's membership of the United Nations Security Council. India will work with all member countries to promote global peace, security, resilience and equity, he said on Twitter. India was on Wednesday elected to the United Nations Security Council as non-permanent member with 184 of the 192 votes for a two-year term starting on January 1, 2021. India will begin its 8th two-year term on January 1st, hoping to use it to further bolster its claim to a promotion to the permanent seat in a reformed United Nations Security Council. Coronavirus cases in India continue to rise sharply today as the country reported its highest single-day jump with over 12,000 cases. According to the Health Ministry's website, a total number of 12,881 cases were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases registered so far in the country to 3,66,946. As per reports, India's death toll from coronavirus also went up after 334 fresh deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. The country now has 12,237 deaths due to the deadly virus. The three-year-old BJP-led government in Manipur plunged into a crisis yesterday as 3 of its MLAs resigned and joined the Congress and 6 others withdrew support. The legislators who withdrew support, 4 from the National People's Party (NPP), 1 from Trinamool Congress and an independent, also expressed desire to support the Congress. The BJP MLAs who resigned were Subhash Chandra Singh, T.T. Haukip and Samuel Chendai. The Congress in Manipur is set to meet the governor with a demand to convene a special session of assembly for a trust vote. All Ziribam United Clubs Association (AJUCA), Ziri Development Organization (JDO) and International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA) today jointly commemorated the 19th Great June 18th Uprising Day at the office premises of AJUCA in Ziribam district. Mairapaibi volunteers along with the members of student bodies offered floral tributes to the departed souls. Imphal West District branch of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur distributed face masks to the people who came to pay their respects to the martyrs of June 18th on the Great June Uprising and Unity Day at Kekrupat today.